Hello my dear friend, welcome back to another book review. Today let's chat about the following book from the Gallery of Magic, and it is called The Angels of Love, Magic Rituals to Heal Hearts, Increase Passion and Find Your Soulmate, and the author is Zanna Blaise. So I've used the rituals from this book several times along the years, and I wanted to give a book review now because I got very good results with these rituals, especially in the last year since I started to use it more consistently. Anyway, let's see what we will find inside the book. So this is the content. The book is composed of 3 parts. Part 1 is all about the mystery of angel magic. Part 2 is all about the workings of love. And part 3 is all about soulmate workings. In part 1, it's all about the mystery of angel magic. Here Zanna explains her view on love magic. She explains that this magic is safe. Also, I love that she is short and to the point and jumps immediately in telling us how to perform the rituals and with what angels you will be working. The instructions are very easy to follow. But I want to mention that I totally agree with what she presents here as instructions, but I think that it's very important whenever you cast a spell to get to that point where the atmosphere of the room where you perform the spell changes, okay? And you observe that change in the atmosphere by how you feel in that particular moment when you cast a spell. And I will add here that besides these instructions that Zanna offers you, you can change the atmosphere and you can move easily your feelings, which are the secret to a successful spell, by adding music. Okay, whenever you cast a spell, I think that there are 2 essential ingredients, and these are lighting a candle. Burning candles in general in a home adds a sexiness to the whole area, adds that feeling of being special. And music moves the body and emotions easily, from happiness to even sorrow, or from feeling down to feeling empowered. So besides the instructions presented by Zanna, add music and candles and see for yourself the changes that will occur within you and around you. And I think that if you want to add a kick to this ritual, see my video called Manifest Desires Episode 3, Spellcasting Rituals and How to Manifest Things in Your Life. And maybe you will find in there some ingredients that can add a kick to these rituals from this book. Okay, so like I've said, part 1 is all about the instructions. Part 2 is all about the workings of love. And here you will find 3 major rituals, which are heal a damaged relationship, which is not only about healing your romantic relationship, but you can also use this type of ritual for family problems, or even I saw from my own experience that work wonderfully well to make 2 people get along way better in the work environment. So you can bring a little bit of healing love everywhere, not just in romantic relationship. So I use this ritual, oh gosh, so many times. I used it when I had certain arguments with people in my life, and it helped me to see their point of view. Also, the magic helped me by making those people more open to what I had to say. So I love this particular ritual when I needed it. Another ritual that you will find in part 2 is this ritual for increasing passion, which is another fantastic ritual that I used, and it worked like a charm because I have been in my romantic relationship for many years now, and I wanted to add a little bit of spice and kick to it, and it worked. Me and my partner were started to become a little bit lazy, and after I tried the increased passion ritual for a week, we started again to do exercises together, to go out almost every single night. Obviously, the intimate moments got fired up. And I think it's a great ritual. And what can I say? I very much enjoyed the lovely results from increased passion ritual. What I wanted to say here is that I used this ritual recently as well, just on myself. And what I noticed after I did this increased passion ritual, that I started to become more alive, more happy, more joyful. So yeah, I really like this one. Okay, so the rituals from part 2, I tried all of them with fantastic results in my opinion. Part 3 is all about soulmate workings. Now these rituals are more for people who are single, who look to find a loving partner. These rituals I cannot speak about because I'm already in a relationship, so I did not use them to see how it goes. But if you are looking for something like that and you want to give reality a little nudge, you can absolutely try these rituals. I think by now, all of the books from the Gallery of Magic, and with most of them I worked. And I wanted to add here that I found success with many of their rituals. But keep in mind that I believe that happened because I already added my own thing to these rituals. Also keep in mind the fact that these rituals come from older versions and old books and manuscripts, which were made more modern by the Gallery of Magic. And nowadays these type of rituals have been used by other people as well. So all these things add to the energy and effectiveness of the spells. And like I said in a few older videos, any spells or rituals create a thought form in the astral plane. And if you tap into that thought form, especially if it was fed with the energy of many people, things may happen more quickly for you. And in terms of results, I have to say that many people believe that a magic spell, when it's manifesting, it has to be something almost paranormal, okay? And I'm here to tell you by experience that this is not anything near that. If you practice spell work on a daily basis, it's more about how you become aware of the coincidences and synchronistic events that start to play in the world around you, that lead you closer to the end results. Basically, when you start hearing in the outer world things related to your spell, when you start seeing small things that are related to your desire, when you start observing correspondences between what you envisioned while casting your spell and this material plane, then you will know you will get your results. You come closer to them. So let me give you an example on how things may play out there in the world as a coincidence. When you do, for example, a spell to find your soulmate, okay? You may follow the instructions, you do the spell for a number of days, you diligently work on the spell every single day. Well, you may be surprised one day that someone that you forgot about from college maybe texts you on Instagram or on Facebook and asks about how is life going for you. So that's one example of coincidence that can occur as an outcome of your spell. And many people will believe that, oh, it's just a coincidence. But actually, this may be the result of your spell work. So that's all for today. This is a phenomenal book in my opinion, and all of the Gallery of Magic books, like I said, I think I have most of them and I really enjoy them. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and wish you a fantastic day.